Good evening, students. Actually, I wanted to take a class in the morning. Due to some network problem, I am taking the class. Morning, I could not take the class because of the poor network difficulties. Today, I am continuing the chapter fertilizers. In the last class, I told you different types of classification of fertilizers, out of which nitrogenous, phosphatic, and phosphatic, NPK, and potash, classifications, and mixed fertilizers like NPK, NP, NK, and NPK like that. So depending upon the need of the soil, we have to supply the nutrients. We have to supply the fertilizers by studying the nature of the soil. And before that, I told you the other different types of classification, like direct and indirect, like this, organic and inorganic, like that. You can classify the fertilizers according to the need of the soil. And here, after completing that classification, I told you there are some important fertilizers. So one main fertilizer used for the different crops is urea. How to prepare urea and preparation of urea, a two-step process I told you in the last class. I cannot take a very long class because it will be taking a lot of time to upload it. If I start uploading in the afternoon, you may get, suppose if the video is a bigger one, you may get that video after 4 to 5 hours, maybe after 6 hours. So therefore, I will take small videos. I will upload small videos. Today, we can study some of the other fertilizers. One of the main fertilizers is ammonium nitrate. Ammonium nitrate, NH4NO3. So we can prepare by reacting ammonia and nitric acid. Ammonia and nitric acid, which is a neutralization reaction, easily will be getting ammonium nitrate. So the ammonia and nitric acid both are passing into a chamber. Ammonia gas as well as nitric acid sprayed into a chamber and ammonium nitrate is formed. It's a very simple reaction. NH3 plus HNO3, you are getting NH4NO3. But this ammonium nitrate is very important because we want to get another very important fertilizer, calcium ammonium nitrate. So in the first step, ammonium nitrate itself is a fertilizer which we can prepare like that. And ammonia and nitric acid again combined together, ammonium nitrate is formed. This ammonium nitrate we can react with calcium carbonate, dolomite, otherwise calcite. So this is nothing but calcium carbonate, calcium CaCO3. CaCO3 plus 2HNO3, you are getting CaNO3 twice, CaNO3 twice plus CO2 plus H2. So this is the second reaction. I told you the first reaction I told you, that is ammonia and nitric acid combined together forming ammonium nitrate, which itself is a fertilizer. Again, another important fertilizer is calcium ammonium nitrate, which is known as CAN. So ammonia and nitric acid combining together, ammonium nitrate is formed. This ammonium nitrate, again, ammonium nitrate is there, is itself. That ammonium nitrate is there. In that mixture, actually, some of the unreacted nitric acid is there. Ammonium nitrate contains unreacted nitric acid. This unreacted nitric acid is reacting with calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate, and we are getting calcium nitrate also in the mixture. So our mixture contains ammonium nitrate as well as calcium nitrate. Ammonium nitrate as well as, so total reaction is CaCO3 plus NH3 plus 3HNO3. You are getting CaNO3 twice plus NH4NO3 plus CO2 plus water. So in this mixture you are getting calcium nitrate as well as ammonium nitrate. Ammonium nitrate and calcium nitrate mixture is formed, which is known as calcium ammonium nitrate. So in this process we have to mix according to the required ratio, and calcium nitrate should be first, it is first formed, water should be removed. By heating that calcium nitrate, water should be removed. It contains unreacted nitric acid, and that will be, if nitric acid is more, nitric acid is added to that. If nitric acid is added limited, you will be getting only ammonium nitrate, only one single step reaction. And again the CAN, otherwise ammonium nitrate also, CAN as well as ammonium nitrate, both should be converted into granules. Granules, it is just like small pellets. So granulation should be done for this, and it will be packed, dried and packed. So it is easily available in the market. So that is about CAN. Another fertilizer is ammonium phosphate. Ammonium phosphate is NH4H2PO4, otherwise diammonium, NH4 twice HPO4. Ammonium monoammonium phosphate as well as diammonium phosphate. So in this is also a neutralization reaction. Ammonia and phosphoric acid, H3PO4. Phosphoric acid and ammonia mixing together, almost at the ratio 1:6, you are getting NH4 H2PO4. Neutralization, ammonia is spraying into phosphoric acid. Ammonium phosphate is formed. Monoammonium phosphate is formed. If the ammonia is excess, ammonia is added excess, that will be reacting with this monoammonium phosphate. Monoammonium phosphate again reacts with the ammonia. You will be getting NH4 twice HPO4, that is diammonium phosphate. So it is another, and these two are fertilizers, monoammonium phosphate as well as diammonium phosphate. So similarly, another one more reaction is there, another one more fertilizer, sodium ammonium phosphate. Sodium ammonium phosphate is prepared from disodio hydrogen phosphate. Disodio hydrogen phosphate reacts with ammonium chloride. You are getting sodio ammonium NaNH4 HPO4. So ammonium chloride is reacting with sodium ammonium phosphate. So these are some of the fertilizers which are important. Again, there are some more fertilizers. These are mixed fertilizers, particularly NP, ammonium and phosphate. Ammonium and phosphate. Otherwise, ammonium, in the first one, ammonium, it says calcium ammonium nitrate, CAN, which contains calcium nitrate and ammonium nitrate. That is nothing but it is a single one. It is not a mixed one. It contains only nitrogen. Nitrogen content is more. Okay, but at the same time, ammonium phosphate contains nitrogen and phosphorus. It's a mixed fertilizer. Similarly, sodium ammonium phosphate. Sodium ammonium phosphate is also a mixed phosphate. So again there are some more fertilizers which I am going to tell you in the next class. So friends, you have to see the notes which is already sent into your group. Fertilizers chapter is given to your group, and you have to see the notes thoroughly and do some work for inorganic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry is, if you take seriously, it is a very simple subject, not like other subjects. But you will not take seriously. Inorganic chemistry you will take always with some laziness, and that may lead into other difficulties. and I think we will be meeting again personally, maybe in the next month, who knows. I will be taking online class continuously. Sitting in my village at the native place, and I wish all good things to happen to you, and good health should prevail to all of you and your parents. And please see these videos regularly. If you know the timetable, according to the timetable, I will be posting a small video, one or two sometimes. Thank you for the patient hearing. Thank you.